Hey guys, this is my bike check for the start of the summer of 2013. Start at the top. We have Sabrosa grips, which are getting worn down on this side, if you can see. So I need to replace those soon. They're really good grips and they're sticky, but I guess they're wearing down, so someday I'll replace them in a couple months maybe. I have the stock Kink Uptown bars. I don't know if they're Uptown. The 8-inch Kink bars. This is a stem off of a premium bike. I think it's just a stock stem. Yeah. Down to my forks. They're Colony Bloody Oath forks. They got that cool looking red and black to them. I have the stock headset. Get the stock rim, which is the Alienation plain black rim, laced to the Mission Echo hub. Demolition momentum 2.35, pumped at 90 psi. And then I have a Shadow Little Ones peg. 2012 Kink Whip frame in red, obviously. I have a Shadow fat padded seat. I don't know what you want to call it. It's got some pro duct tape on it. A white seat post off of that same premium bike that I got this stem from. And that seat clamp's just from an old Eastern. Got the stock Mission Transit cranks, pinch bolt, 8 spline, and the stock Mission, I can't remember the name of the pedals, but they're stock Mission plastic pedals, which are pretty good. I haven't replaced these at all, and it's, you know, a year old. Got the Shadow Conspiracy 28 tooth sprocket. Got that from a friend. Mechanic half-length chain. See, it's all kinked up because I haven't oiled it, and it really creaks and doesn't like to move. But that's just the chain because I haven't oiled it. I kind of like it how it's not oiled and stuff. Stock rear wheel, which is the Alienation black sheep laced to the Mission React 9-tooth cassette hub. Demolition momentum, that's a 2.0, I think, 2.2. Stock bottom bracket, another Shadow Little Ones peg. That's my bike check. Oh, can't forget, I still have these crowns, front and back, crown valve caps. But yep, that's my bike, 2012 Kink Whip.